Hello students, today we are going to start exercise 3.6. I am going to start with question number 1. Now see what is given. Solve the following pair of equation by reducing them to a pair of linear equation. We have to reduce given equation to a pair of linear equation. Now see what is given. In first question it is written 1 by 2x plus 1 upon 3y equal to 2, 1 upon 3x plus 1 by 2y equal to 13%. Now see what is the difference. What is new in this equation? See carefully. When you say carefully, then you observe that their variable of both the terms lies towards in their denominator. Okay, what is the meaning of this? Now see, I write here 1 by x. Okay, when I take this variable from denominator to numerator, then its power become negative. Okay, now tell me, is it a linear equation? No, this is not a linear equation. So we have to reduce this pair to a linear equation. After reducing them to a linear equation, then we have to suppose. So for this I am going to suppose what is the common between first term of the both the equation. See what is common between first two terms. First term of both the equation, 1 by x. 1 by x is common in both the term. 1 by x is common in the first term of both the equations. So I am going to suppose 1 by x as a. So I write here 1 by x equal to a. Now see what is common between second term of both the equation. 1 by y is common. So I want to suppose 1 by y common. I suppose 1 by y equal to a. Okay. When I take 1 by x as a, so this 1 by x become a. Now see carefully. Where is 2? Where 2 is in its denominator. So I write 2 in its denominator. In the same way, I take 1 by y equal to b. So I write b. Now see, there is 3. 3 lies in their denominator. So I write here 3 in the denominator. In the same way, this become a upon 3 and this become b upon 3 equal to 13 by 6. Okay. After that, I want to take LCM. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Okay. Now 2 3 is 6. 3 into a 3a. 3 2 is 6. 2 into b 2b and 2 remains same. After that, I am going to take cross multiply. 6 2 is 12. And this is going to multiply by 1, so it remains same. This is the first equation. Okay, so I write here 3a plus 2b equal to 12. This is the first equation. Now I want to solve this. What is the LCM of 3 and 2? 6. 3 2 is 6. This become 2a. 2 3 is 6. This become 3b. After that, this LCM is cancelled with the LCM, so equation become 2a plus 3b equal to 13. This is the second equation. Now I want to solve this pair by using elimination method. Okay. Now you know very well in elimination method, if I want to eliminate this a term, if I want to remove this a term, then we have to multiply first equation by the coefficient of a from second equation. So it means I want to multiply first equation by 2 and we have to multiply second equation by the coefficient of first from equation number 1. What is the coefficient of a in first equation? 3. So I want to multiply second equation by 3. So write down multiplying equation number 1 by 2 and multiply equation number 2 by 3. Now when I multiply this equation by 2, this become 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4 and 12 2 is 24. So write here. Okay. When I multiply this equation by 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9 and 13 3 is 39. Okay. Since both the signs of the coefficient of a are same, so I am going to subtract them. For subtract, I am going to change their signs. Okay. Now see, this is positive and this is negative. This is going to cancel. Plus minus minus, whose sign is taken? Negative sign is taken. So 9 minus 4 become 5. Again plus minus minus, sign is taken minus because this number is larger. So I take negative sign here. 39 minus 24 is 15. Now this minus is cancelled with minus. Now 5 goes towards 15, 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, so value of b become 3. Now what is the next step? We have to substitute this value b in equation number 1. So I write here now putting the value of b in equation number 1. What is equation number 1? This is our first equation. So I write here 3a plus 2b equal to 12. What is the value of b? Value of b is 3. So I write instead of b 3, this become 2 3s are 6. When I take this 6 from left to right, this become 90. 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. So this become 3a equal to 6. The value of a become 6 by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Value of a become 2. Now I will go to the value of A. A become 2 and B equal to 3. But in this question, we have to find the value of X. Okay? Not a value of A and B. So I am going to substitute this value in these two terms. So I write here 1 by X equal to A, 1 by Y equal to B. What is the value of A? 2. I write here 2. What is the value of B? 3. I write here B, instead of B, 3. Now I am going to take cross multiply. When I multiply X by 2, this becomes 2X. 1 into 1 is 1. Similarly, 3 into Y, 3Y, and 1 into 1, 1. The value of X become 1 by 2 and value of Y become 1 by 3. This is our answer. Okay? I hope it is clear to you. Now we are going to start to solve for this second part. Now see what is given. 2 upon root x, 3 upon root y equal to 2, and second pair 4 upon root x minus 1 by root y equal to minus 1. First we have to reduce the given pair to a linear equation. Okay, after that I am going to solve. Now see, what is common? 2 can be written as 2 into 1, and 3 can be written as 3 into 1, 4 can be written as 4 into 1, and 9 can be written as 9 into 1. Now see, what is common between first term of both the equations? In first term of both the equations, 1 by root x is common. And what is common between the second term of both the equations? In second term, it is common, 1 by root y. 1 by root y is common in the second term. So I suppose that 1 upon root x equal to a and 1 upon root y is equal to a. Okay? When I take 1 by root x equal to a, so this term become a, and see where this 2 lies. 2 lies in their numerator, so it remain in numerator. So this become 2a. This equation reduced to 2a. Similarly, 1 upon root y is become b, 1 upon root y become b, and where 3 lies towards in their numerator, so it remain in numerator. So this become 2a plus 3b equal to 2. In the same way, this become 4a minus 9b equal to minus 1. So I write here 4a minus 9b minus 1. Now I am going to solve this pair by using elimination method. For elimination method, I am going to multiply first equation by the coefficient of a. What is the coefficient of a? 4. Okay? Now I am going to multiply this second equation by the coefficient of a. What is the coefficient of a here in first equation? In first equation, what is the coefficient of a? 2. So I write here multiplying equation number 1 by 4 and equation 2 by 2. Okay? Now see, when I multiply this complete equation by 4, so this become 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12 and 4 2s are 8. Similarly, second equation reduced to 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18 and 2 1s are minus 2. Now, see, I am going to subtract all the terms. Why? I am going to subtract because both the term having same sign. When they are having same sign, we have to subtract them. So I write plus minus, minus 2 plus and minus 2 plus. Now this term is going to cancel. Positive term is cancelled with negative term. Now see, plus 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 18 plus 12 become 30b. Again plus 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 8 plus 2 become 10. So this become b equal to 10 by 30. 30 goes towards the denominator of 10. So now this is cancelled. What is the value of b? Value of b become 3. Now what is the next step? We have to substitute this value of b in equation number 1. So I write here, now putting the value of b in equation number 1. What is equation number 1? This is our equation number 1. 2a plus 3b equal to 2. So I write here 2a plus 3b equal to 2. Now I am going to substitute the value of b. What is the value of b? 1 by 3. So I write instead of b 1 by 3. Now this 3 is going to cancel with 3. What is left? 1. I take this positive term towards right term. So this become positive to negative. So this become 2 minus 1. What is the value of 2 minus 1? 1. So value of a become a by 2. Now we go to the value of a and b. But in this question we have to find the value of x and y. So I am going to substitute these two value in the original value. In the original value here, where I suppose 1 by root x, I suppose 1 by root x equal to a, so I write here 1 by root x equal to a. 1 by root y equal to b, so I write here 1 by root y equal to b. What is the value of a? Value of a is 1 by 2, so I write instead of a 1 by 2. What is the value of b? 1 by 3, so I write instead of b 1 by 3. When I take cross multiply, this become root x into 1 root x, 2 ones are 2. Similarly, this become root y into y, root y into 1 root y, and 3 ones are 3. Now see, in this both the terms having square root. For removing square root, we know we have to squaring both sides. So I write here squaring both sides. When I squaring both sides, when I take squaring both sides, this become root x square and this become 2 square. This square is cancelled is 2. So what is the value? What is left? X. And square of 2 is 4. So value of x become 4. In the same way, I take squaring both sides here. When I take square root y and root 3 square, this is going to cancel. What is left? Y, and root 3 square is 9. So value of y become 9. So your answer is x equal to 4 and y equal to 9. This is the answer of the given question. I hope it is clear to all. Now I want to solve its fourth part. Now see what is given. 5 upon x minus 1, 1 upon y minus 2 equal to. In second equation, 6 upon x minus 1 minus 3 upon y minus 2 equal to 1. First I want to reduce the given pair towards in a linear equation. So I want to check what is common between first term. What is common between first term of the both the equation? Now see, 5 can be written as 5 into 1. In the same way, 6 can be written into 6 into 1. Now what is the common between first term of both the equation? See, 1 upon x minus 1. This one is the common. So I am going to suppose 1 upon x minus 1 equal to a. Now I want to check what is common between second term of both the equation. Now this 3 can be written as 3 into 1. So this become 1 upon y minus 2, and this is also 1 upon y minus 2. So what is common? 1 upon y minus 2 is common. So I am going to suppose 1 upon y minus 2 as a b. Now see, I suppose here let 1 upon x minus 1 equal to a and 1 upon y minus 2 equal to b. Now see, this 1 upon x minus 1 become a. So I write here a, where 5 lies towards in their denominator. So it remain in numerator. So this become 5a. In the same way, this become b and is equal to. This is the first equation. Now see, in the same way, this becomes 6a minus 3b equal to 1. So I write here 6a minus 3b equal to 1. This is our second equation. I want to solve these pair by using elimination method. For elimination method, we have to equate the coefficient of a. If I want to eliminate a, it means I want to equate the coefficient of a. For this, I want to multiply first equation by the coefficient of a from the second equation. What is the coefficient of a in second equation? 6. I want to multiply first equation by 6. And equation number 2 by the coefficient of a from equation number 1. In equation number 1, what is the coefficient of a? 5. I want to multiply second equation by 5. So I write here multiplying equation number 1 by 6 and equation number 2 by 6. Multiplying equation number 1 by 6 and equation number 2 by 5. So I write here 5. Okay, I am going to multiply equation number 2 by 5. Now see, 6 5s are 30, 6 1s are 6 and 6 2s are 12. Now 5 6s are 30, 5 3s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. Now I want to change the sign. Why I want to change their sign? Because both having same term, same sign. When they are having same sign, we have to subtract them. For subtracting, we have to change their sign. Now this is going to cancel. Now this plus and plus, plus plus plus, 15 plus 6 become 21. After that plus minus, minus 12 minus 5 is 7. So b become 7 by 21. 7 1 is 7, 7 3 is 21. The value of b become 1 by 3. Now what is the next step? We have to substitute this value of b in equation number 1. So I write here, now putting the value of b in equation number 1. What is the first equation? This is your first equation. 5a plus 1b equal to 2. So I write here 5b plus b equal 5a plus b equal to 2. What is the value of b? Value of b is 1 by 3. So I write here 1 by 3. I take 1 by 3 from left to right. So this positive term become negative. Now I take LCM. LCM of 1 and 3 is 3. A is 1. So it is going to multiply by 3. 3 2 is a 6. 3 is cancelled with 3. 1 remains same. 6 minus 1 is 5. This become 5 by 3. So value of a become, where this 5 goes, towards their denominator. When I take denominator, this is going to cancel. What is left? 1 by 3. So value of a become 1 by 3 and value of b is 1 by 3. In this question, we have to find the value of x and y. So we have to substitute these two values here. In these two equations, I am going to substitute. First, I am going to write these two equations here. 1 by x, 1 upon x minus 1 equal to a and 1 upon y minus 2 equal to b. What is the value of a? 1 by 3. So I write here 1 by 3. What is the value of b? 1 by 3. So I write here 1 by 3. Now I take cross multiply. When I take cross multiply x minus 1 going to multiply x, remains same. 3 is going to multiply 1, remains same. So I take minus term from left to right. So this become positive. 3 plus 1 is 4. So value of x become 4. In the same way, I take cross multiply y minus 2 by 1. This remains same. 3 1s are 3. I take this negative term towards right term. So this negative term become positive. Now 3 plus 2 is 5. The value of y is become 5. So x equal to 4 and y equal to 5 are the solution of this equation. I hope it is clear. Now we are going to solve its seventh part. What is given? 10 into x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y equal to 4. 15 upon x plus y minus 5 upon x minus y equal to minus 2. First I want to reduce the given pair towards linear equation, pair of linear equation. For this I want to check what is the common between first terms of both the equation. In first term both the equation, 1 is common in their numerator and x plus y is common towards their denominator. So what is common? 1 upon x plus y is common. So I write 1 upon x minus 1 upon x plus y equal to a. Now I want to check what is common in their second term. In their second term common is x, 1 upon x minus y and 1 upon x minus y. So this one is common. So I write here 1 upon x minus y equal to a. Okay. When I take this complete term a, so this become a, and 10 is, where is 10 lies in their numerator, so this become 10a. So this equation reduced to 10a. Similarly this become 2b because I take 1 upon x minus y equal to b, so this become 2b. So first equation reduced to 10a plus 2b equal to 4. Similarly second equation become 15a minus 5b equal to minus 2. So I write here 15a minus b, 5b equal to minus 2. Now I am going to solve this pair by using elimination method. For this I am going to equating eliminate b. If I want to eliminate b, it means I am going to multiply first equation by the coefficient of b. What is the coefficient of b here? 5. So I am going to multiply this first equation by 5. And second equation by the coefficient of b from equation number 1. In equation number 1, what is the coefficient of b? 2. So I am going to multiply second equation by 2. So I write here multiplying equation number 1 by 5 and equation number 2 by 2. When I multiply this complete equation by 5, this become 10 5s are 50 and 5 2s are 10 and 5 4s are 20. Similarly, I want to solve this equation. I want to multiply this equation by 2. So this become 15 2s are 30, 5 2s are 10 and 2 into 2 minus 4. Okay. Since both are sign having different, so I am going to cancel that. This one is going to cancel. So this become 50 plus 30, 80. 20 minus 4 becomes 16. The value of a become 16 by 80. 16 ones are 16, 16 5s are 80. The value of a become 1 by 5. Now what is the next step? We have to substitute this value in equation number 1. So right here, now putting the value of a in equation number 1. What is the first equation? 10a plus 2b equal to 4. I write here 10a plus 2b equal to 4. Now in this equation we have to substitute the value of a. The value of a is 1 by 5. So I write here instead of a 1 by 5. Now see, this is going to cancel. I 1s are 5, I 2s are 10. 2 1s are 2, 2b equal to 4. I take these 2 from left to right. So this positive number become negative. 4 minus 2 is 2. Now this 2 is cancelled with 2. The value of b become 1. Now in this question we have to find the value of x and y. So it means we have to substitute this value both a and b here. So I write here 1 upon x plus y equal to a, 1 upon x minus y equal to b. What is the value of a? Value of a is 1 by 5. So I write here 1 by 5. What is the value of b? 1. So I write here 1. 1 can be written as 1 by 1. When I take cos multiply, this become x plus y into 1, x plus y, 5 1s are 5. So this is the third equation. Now we got third equation. Now when I multiply these two terms, x minus y, going to multiply 1, this become x minus y and 1 into 1 become 1. Now this is the fourth equation. Now we have to solve again these two equations. So I write for the equation, I want to use again by elimination method. Now see, both the signs are different, so I am going to cancel them. After that, x plus x become 2x, 5 plus 1 equal to 6. The value of x become 2 3s are 6. The value of x become 3. Now we have to substitute this value of 3 in equation number 3. Now I write here, now substitute the value of x in equation number 3. What is equation number 3? X plus y equal to 5. I write x plus y equal to 5. Value of x is 3. So I write 3. 3 goes left to right, become positive to negative. 5 minus 3 is 2. The value of y become 2. So x equal to 3 and y equal to 2 are the solution of this given pair of equation. I hope it is clear now. Now I want to solve its last part. Question number 1, last part, 8th part. What is given? 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y equal to 3 by 4. This is the first equation. In second equation, what is given? 1 upon 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 into 3x minus y equal to minus 1 by 8. First I am going to reduce the given pair in a pair of linear equation. Okay, now see, again variable lies in their denominator, it means we have to suppose that denominator. Now I am going to check what is common between first term of both the equation. In first term both the equation 1 upon 3x plus y and 1 upon 3x plus y is common. So I am going to suppose this complete term 1 upon 3x plus y as a. Now what is common in the second term? In the second term 1 upon 3x minus y and 1 upon 3x minus y is common. So I am going to suppose 1 upon 3x minus y as a b. When I take this complete term a, so this become a and this become b is equal to 3 by 4. I write here, I am going to take there, after that I write here 1, I want to take the cross multiplication of both the term. 3 into 1, 3, now this a plus b is going to multiply with 4. 4 into a, 4a and 4 into b, 4b. This is the first equation. This given pair, given equation is reduced to in this simple equation. Now see, I write 1 upon 3x plus y a. See here, I take 1 upon 3x plus y a. So this complete term become a. Now where 2 lies? 2 lies in their denominator. It means 2 remain in the denominator. So I write here a upon 2. In the same way, this become b and 2 lies in the denominator. So this become b upon 2 minus b by 2 equal to minus 1 by 8. So I write here minus b by 2 equal to minus 1 by 8. Okay. Now I want to take the LCM of these two. LCM of 2 and 2 is 2. 2 is cancelled with 2. A remains same. 2 is cancelled with 2. B remains same. Now equal to this given minus 1 by 8. Now this one given to cancel. 2 ones are 2. 2 fours are 8. Now I want to multiply. Cross multiply. 4 into a become 4a. 4 into b become minus 4b equal to minus 1. This is the second equation. Now I want to solve these two equations by using elimination method. So write here 4a plus 4b equal to 3 and 4a minus 4b equal to 6. Now see, in this is negative and this is positive, so this one is going to cancel. This both terms are same, positive sign, so this become plus plus plus. 4 plus 4 become 8. 3 minus 1 become 2. So value of a become 2 by 8. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. The value of a become 1 by 4. Now what is the next step? Next step is we have to substitute this value of a in equation number 1. So I write here, now substitute the value of a in equation number 1. First equation is 4a plus 4b equal to 3. So I write 4a plus 4b equal to 3. What is the value of a? 1 by 4. So I write instead of a, 1 by 4. This is going to cancel. What is left? 1. So I write 1 plus 4b equal to 3. I take this positive number 1 from left to right. So this number become positive to negative. So I write here 3 minus 2, 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So 4b equal to 2. The value of b become 2 by 4. This is going to cancel. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. The value of b become 1 by 2. Now a and b value we got. But in this question we have to find the value of x and y. So I want to substitute this a and b value in these both terms. So I write these two terms again. 1 upon 3x plus y equal to a and 1 upon 3x minus y equal to b. What is the value of a? 1 by 4. So I write 1 by 4. What is the value of b? What is the value of b? 1 by 2. So I write here 1 by 2. Now again taking cross multiply. 3x plus y going to multiply 1, going to remain same, and 4 ones are 4. In this way I get our third equation. In the same way, when I multiply this term by 1, this one to same, and 2 ones are 2. Now again 2 equations are there. I take it number 3 and 4. Now I want to solve these 2 equations by again using elimination method. Now see, both the terms having same coefficient. Now this is going to cancel this y is going to cancel y. Now what is left? 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 means 6x. And 2 plus 4 is again 6. This 6 is going to cancel with 6. The value of x become 1. Now we have to substitute this value of x in equation number 3. I want to write here. Now substitute the value of x in equation number 3. What is equation number 3? 3x plus y equal to 4. So write here 3x plus y equal to 4. Value of x we got equal to 1. So instead of x I want to write 1. So instead of x I write 1. This 3 ones are 3. This positive term become negative when I change their sides. 4 minus 3 is 1. The value of 1. Value of y become 1. So this is your answer. X equal to 1 and y equal to 1 are the solution of the given pair of linear equation. Okay, I hope it is clear to all.